Introducing longevity foods, a health expert's picks. We all want to live long and healthy lives, and experts agree that a balanced diet rich in whole, unprocessed foods is key. So what are the top-rated longevity foods that health experts often recommend? Let's take a look. First up, we have plant-based powerhouses. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and collard greens are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can help keep your body healthy and strong. Whole grains such as brown rice, quinoa, and whole wheat bread provide fiber and complex carbohydrates, giving you sustained energy throughout the day. Nuts and seeds like almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds are excellent sources of healthy fats and essential nutrients. And don't forget about legumes. Beans, lentils, and chickpeas are high in protein and fiber, making them a great addition to any diet. Next, we have colorful fruits and vegetables. Berries like blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are not only delicious, but also rich in antioxidants that help protect your cells from damage. Citrus fruits such as oranges, grapefruits, and lemons are bursting with vitamin C, which is essential for a healthy immune system. And let's not forget about tomatoes. They are a great source of lycopene, an antioxidant that has been linked to heart health. Now, let's talk about healthy fats. Olive oil, a cornerstone of the Mediterranean diet, is known for its heart-healthy benefits, and avocados, with their creamy texture, are a good source of monounsaturated fats and potassium, which can help maintain healthy blood pressure levels. If you're a fan of seafood, fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which have been shown to reduce the risk of heart disease and promote brain health. Moving on to other notable mentions, yogurt is a good source of probiotics that can support a healthy gut. Dark chocolate contains flavonoids, which may have various health benefits and can even improve your mood. And let's not forget about green tea. Rich in antioxidants, green tea has been associated with a boosted metabolism and overall well-being. It's important to remember that a balanced diet is just one piece of the puzzle. Regular exercise, adequate sleep, and stress management are also crucial for overall health and longevity. While these longevity foods can contribute to a healthy lifestyle, it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice. If you'd like to know more about the specific health benefits of these foods or explore other aspects of a healthy lifestyle, we're here to help.